Vikash Kumar, a lecturer at the Asian Institute of Beijing Forest Studies University, said he was impressed by the inheritance in protection of traditional Tibetan culture after visiting Lhasa, capital of southwest China's Tibet Autonomous Region.
I found in Lhasa people are they are stick to their own dance, own music, on their own musical instrument, then their own way of telling a story. Like if you go to Lhasa, you can have a wonderful story, like narration of Wencheng Kungzhu, like from Tang Dynasty. She married to the local king of Xizang. So they have a very beautiful narration of this story in Lhasa. And I think this is the way to protect their own culture, their own folk system. So the local people, they want to protect their own, and the government, the central government is also investing so much money in protecting the ancient relics, ancient manuscripts. We visited the Tibet University, and in that university, some of the manuscripts were donated by the local people. Why they donated? Because they want to protect it. So I think the central government is putting a lot of efforts to protect their traditional or cultural heritage.